Hello children. Now this is a new chapter for class 2 EVS, that is differently abled people. Now differently abled peoples, the chapter itself tells us something new about this chapter. Now able people, differently able people. What we understand by differently able people? Now, able people means those who can do every kind of work, and differently able people tells us that those people who are totally different from the able people. So they are called differently able people. So today we will learn about this chapter, that is differently able people. Let's see what is there in this chapter. Now, definition of abilities. Now, what is an abilities? Now, organs that work together in coordination with our brain and help us to do various activities like seeing, hearing, speaking and walking are called abilities. Now, organs that work together in coordination with our brain. Now, there are different organs present in our body, and when this organ work together with the coordination of our brain and help us to do various things like seeing, hearing, speaking, walking, talking and many more activities, they are called abilities. So when all these activities are going smoothly, and who is helping to do the work smoothly? These organs along with our brain. So that time we are calling these coordination as abilities. Next, definition of differently able people. Now we will come to know about differently able people. Who are called as differently able people? Now, some people may not have one or more of these abilities, either by birth or due to some illness or accident. Such people were earlier called disabled or physically handicapped. But nowadays they are called differently able people. Now children, some people, now what we have just now learnt about it, that abilities include smooth coordination of organs along with the brain. Now, differently able people, what happened with these people? These people, they suffer some illness, either by birth or due to some accident or due to some illness. And when these organs are not working smoothly along with the coordination of our brain, that time they are treated as disabled or physically handicapped, and nowadays they are called as differently able people. So when people are acting or reacting in a some other way, and they are not acting as normal human being, so they are called as differently able people. So you will able to see when you are walking on the road or when you are going anywhere, you will be able to see, or in your surrounding, that some people are walking by the help of stick. Some people are walking on the road wearing black glasses or specs, and some people are walking, or some people are taking the help of wheelchair to move. So these people they are differently able people, and they are not treated as normal people. So they are called as differently able people. Now children, differently able people need extra care and attention. So different able people are needed, they need extra care and attention. For this reason, they are called people with special needs. Now, these differently able people, they need special care and attention. Why? Because they are not like the normal people, and they don't have all the abilities to do each and every work. So, they need special attention. So they are called people with special needs, known as people with special needs. So children, this was just introductory part of the chapter that we will discuss broadly. Broadly after this video or after this class. And children, this chapter is totally different chapter, and we will learn about this chapter, more about this chapter. So this was the introductory part, and let's see some little homework you have for this. You will write the definition of abilities, and next question is write the definition of differently able people. These two questions you will write in a simple language that just now I have discussed with you. So children, this was just all about today, and later we will discuss about it. Thank you children. Goodbye.